Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends!
Today we will draw an ice cream. Yummy! Let's get started. We will start by drawing ice cream. Now we will draw a cherry on top of our ice cream. It's time to draw our ice cream cone. Cherry red. Now we will color the ice cream orange. Last, we will color the cone light brown.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.